Hi guys, time to take a walk with me. I'm going to go and meet my daughter for some Sunday lunch where she works. So I thought I'd take a walk along the beach to get there, and I thought I'd take you with me. So let's take a journey together. I'm going to go and have my lunch. Hi, Kitty Cat has finished work, and we're just having a little bit of a walk around the hotel where Katt works. She's given me a guided tour, so I thought I'd take you with me. That's the back end of the hotel. Looks like Rapunzel's castle a bit, doesn't it? And we're just going to take a walk to the gardens. You never thought of that. Little mini golf course just there, look. In case you hadn't guessed, it's a golfing hotel.
garden.
Here we go, I'll put that back on you, you can tell them now.
Secret garden. Not like you didn't hear me the first time.
As you can see, Catherine has a well-deserved glass of Coke and Black.
And you've got it free.
And I've just had a really nice latte.
Welcome to the garden.
Oh, this is pretty. Some leftover punch glasses, which obviously the wasps will like. Pity we can't have our dinner out here. Sit on the grass, have a picnic. Hula hoop! It's a broken hula hoop.
Oh, well, we're not going to play on that then.
I don't think that is a hula hoop, is it? It's not. No. Look at that, look, she still hasn't finished blinking work. Just put it on the table and tell them it's here. I bet there's lots of fruit flies in there. Not for me, thank you, bitch.
I'm going to take them in, Mum.
Oh, yeah.
No one's going to come out of you.
Right, we're going to go and do a little bit of overtime work, and we shall speak to you in a minute. So, bye-bye. Hey, guys. That's where Kitty Cat sits when she rings me. There she is. Sorry if the wind's going past the microphone a bit, but it's a bit breezier now, so which is good because it's been really hot all day. Well, we've had our Sunday dinner, not exactly traditional. Kitty Cat had a tuna melt, and I had wild boar sausages, mashed and onion gravy.
It was very filling.
It was very filling, and we even had garlic bread with cheese.
And I'm going to get run over.
Yay! We're hardcore, we don't use the path. Although he likes to park on the path.
My belly's so full.
Yeah, mine is too. That's not a bad thing though, is it? I feel like doing like what Grandad does when we get home and put your feet up on the mantelpiece.
Oh, happy dog.
She knows where
I'm going to the beach. Come on, let me go.
And he's gone. I like how we use the oh, little doggy look. Gonna stop filming for a bit.